Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure OPPO Reno 10 for a senior person. And to do this, we'll need to open our system settings, and here all we need to do is enable a simple mode. So you can find it in the search, enter simple mode right here and enter it just like that. Now it will take a few seconds to refresh, and here you can see that the icons become much bigger. Also, we have a bigger text, and another cool thing here is when we go to our settings, we'll get the settings are limited, and you can find them all right here. To enter all of the settings, click on all settings. So it's pretty much impossible to break something. You can also adjust the font size if it's too big, or you can also change the display, or you can't actually in this mode, so you can only change the text size. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.